Hey guys, I want to get on here and tell you about hair. My hair. I have had several questions about my hair. I have had people just ask me that they want me to see me style my hair. I've had several people say, what kind of hot rollers you use in your hair? Or will you show us when you do hot rollers? I've also had people say, do you have a perm? I've also had people ask, how do you straighten your bangs? Or is your bangs curly? I've had lots of questions about my hair. Well, this is where it is. I have natural curly hair. I do have hot rollers, but I never use them. I don't really need to use them because my hair is so curly and I use a lot of product, and that's the key to having hair that looks like, I think, a lot of times, especially with people I have very fine hair but very thick hair. It's just a fine texture but very thick. I have a lot of hair. In fact, my twin has more hair than I do, believe it or not. But she keeps her hair so short, you couldn't tell it, but she does. She has more hair than I do. There's a products that I use that I really like. When I wash my hair to do natural, like I do right now, this is what I do. I get out of the shower. I get all the tangles out, but I use a very good. I use a conditioner in my hair. I always like a good conditioner, and I don't get it for any particular company. I'm using Dove now, the shampoo and conditioner. I use more conditioner. When I am taking my shower, I put that conditioner on last, and as I'm getting through, I leave it on there for a few minutes, and then I rinse it out. So when I comb it out or brush it out with my wet brush, it doesn't really have any tangles in it because it's the length it is. I think it's just when it was longer. As some of you have watched me 5 years ago, 6 years ago, my hair was very, very long. But after I started getting it cut and shorter and trying to make a decision now, even I want to get it a little bit shorter, I what I do is I just put comb it out, and then I put my carrot. And y'all have seen this before, and those that have not, just bear with me. Those that have seen it before, the carrot therapy. It's 20-in-1 miracle leave-in conditioner. I really do like it. It really, I just put enough. This it pumps up, and I just put maybe two little pumps, maybe about the size of a quarter, and I rub it in my hands, and I just put it in my hair, and then I brush it through. Okay, that being said, after that, I am using, and I show you this product that I really like, the Wow. Well, Wow has now for curly hair, and it's the Dream Coat for curly hair, and I spray this in my hair, and I scrunch it, and this is what I get. I This part I will straighten it with my straightening iron. The other I just crunch it. Now it is still a little damp. It'll get bigger. What's the saying? The higher the hair, closer to heaven. Well, that's the way mine is getting. So I have to really watch it so it doesn't get too big. But this is what is the curls, and it's very soft. I have found out that this Dream Coat for curly hair, and even the straightener, it just makes it very soft. My hair used to, when I got out of the shower, I was trying to think of the name of the there was a name of a mousse that I put on my hair. Can't think of it now. I can't think of it now. But anyway, it would make it stiff. But this, it makes it feel, I mean, it's soft and it feels good. Now, this stuff that I'm telling you, this is not a sponsored video. When I use these things, I am telling you what I use and what I love. But I do love these products. I do love these products. I am trying to make a decision if I am going to have my hair cut shorter. Let me try to show you a picture. I have a mouse pad here. And let me show you what my picture of my hair when it was shorter with my twin. Can you see that? Oh, that it's shorter than it is now. I would think it's a little bit shorter. And it's layered. And that's my twin. And I'm thinking, do I want to get it shorter? What do you think? I might just keep it this way. I am such a chicken about things, but it's just hair, right? Isn't it funny how we all just start thinking about things? We want to get this done, or we don't like our hair, or we want to change it. If we've got curly hair, we want straight hair. If we've got straight hair, we want curly hair. Well, this day and time, you can use so many different products and things on your hair that you can just, you know, you can have about anything you want. Any color, anything, right? I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed this. Just to show you a little bit, tell you a little bit about my hair, since I've had so many different people asking me about it. And I'm thinking I might just leave it like this for a while. What do you think? You guys have a great day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a hug. I hope you feel it. Until tomorrow.